Actually, let's see if AI can make a better Drake song than Drake. Write a Drake verse about how he doesn't like beans and chili. I don't want no kidney beans, no black beans, no pinto. I want my chili to be packed with flavor, not just full of filler. He's dropping bars. I want to taste the beef and spices, not just the bland bean. Drizzy, Drake, talk to him. All right, let's copy this verse, put it in an UberDoc, synthesize.
Test the beef and spices, not just a bland bean.
Got that Drake, yo, what's going on? Okay, let's pull this up in Ableton.
Stick to my guns and say no to the beans. I don't like them in my chili. It's just how it's gonna be. I don't want no kidney beans, no black beans, no pinto. I want my chili packed full of flavor, not just full of filler. But bees just make it mushy, not how I like to be. I like my chili thick and healthy with a little bit of heat.
Alright, I'm gonna check if an AI can code the app I spent the past 6 months trying to build. Alright, excuse the messy screen. Oh, hell no.
It's over. Wall Street has lost their edge. I just copied and pasted Netflix's most recent earnings report into a chat bot AI and asked it to summarize it like I'm 10 years old in 5 bullet points. Netflix made more money this quarter than they did last year. Places like Asia and South America, Netflix even made more money. Guys, this is pages condensed into 5 bullet points. You have a financial analyst in your pocket, use it.
This app is mind-blowing and it's going to change the world. Save this video for later, you'll want to try it for yourself. It's called ChatGPT and it's a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. You might recognize them as the people that also made DALL-E, and it was also co-founded by Elon Musk. So ChatGPT uses machine learning to understand and respond to human inputs. In other words, you give this thing a prompt and it'll do your homework for you. Watch this.
Write an essay on the ethics of
Time out of your day. Take care. Peace.
Internet rastet gerade aus wegen dieser künstlichen Intelligenz. OpenAI hat vor kurzem einen Chatbot veröffentlicht, der dir jede Frage beantworten kann und sogar komplette Texte für dich schreibt. Dieser Chatbot heißt ChatGPT und kann dir so viele Aufgaben abnehmen. Ich wollte es auf die Probe stellen und habe mir eine extrem schwierige Aufgabe überlegt. Und zwar, schreibe mir eine Mail für eine Willkommenskampagne mit 20% Rabatt in HTML. Ich konnte meinen Augen nicht trauen, als ich das Ergebnis gesehen habe. Innerhalb von wenigen Sekunden war dieser Text fertig. Die Welt entwickelt sich extrem schnell. Was glaubst du, wie das Ganze weitergeht? Schreib das in die Kommentare, sag uns deine Meinung.
Wait, if you haven't been hearing about what's happening in the world of artificial intelligence right now, you need to watch this video. The tech world is freaking out. And this isn't just a big deal for people like you and I. Companies like Google are gonna have to make some changes. And I think the best way to explain it is, what if you could converse with Google? Instead of just searching for examples of healthy meal plans, for example, the AI system actually built and designed you the meal plan. This is what a company called OpenAI has built, the most advanced chatbot called ChatGPT that converses with us. So when we have questions about things, it actually helps us answer them. And you can ask it anything, such as write a tense scene with Leonardo da Vinci defending the value of AI art in an argument with Michelangelo, and it would return the script for you to use. You could say, I'm interviewing this specific biologist on my podcast. Help me generate questions to ask them. You can ask it to provide an agenda for your company's upcoming all-hands meeting. This is truly the beginning of each of us having our own mediocre intelligent assistant. I have so much more to say on this topic, including how this AI system actually works, some of the harms and dangers that can come from it, and what this means for the future of our jobs, content, and media creation. You're gonna wanna follow for more, and it's gonna be a wild ride.
Diese künstliche Intelligenz kann deine Hausaufgaben machen und es ist komplett kostenlos. Check das aus. Okay, ich habe jetzt einfach mal Hausaufgaben Mathe 11. Klasse rausgesucht. Ich drücke einfach auf irgendwelche Übungen, bestimme den Definitionsbereich, welche Zahlen dürfen nicht eingesetzt werden. Und diese Frage poste ich jetzt hier rein. Und der ballert los. Der Definitionsbereich der Funktion ist alle Werte außer x gleich 0. Ich sage x gleich 0, weiter zur Lösung. Richtig. Und es gibt ja nicht nur die Lösung aus, es gibt ja noch einen kompletten Text dazu aus, warum das richtig ist. Probieren wir das Ganze mal mit Deutschhausaufgaben. Beschreibe, wie Goethe in Faust Metaphern nutzt und welche Funktion sie haben. Ich wünschte, ich wäre zur Schule gegangen, wo dieses Tool rausgekommen ist. Holy fuck. Schreib einen Python-Code, der Flappy Bird imitiert. Ich feiere es vor allem, dass das alles losgeht mit gerne. Markieren in den Kommentaren, wer das sehen muss.
Holy moly. Oh yeah, another day, another AI. Today we're going to make a star field like those old, if you remember like on the old Windows, maybe it still exists. We're gonna create something like this, or we're gonna try anyway. Write a script that creates a full screen hyperspace star field. I wonder if I'll need to say it needs to be animated. Copy this and let's bring it into here and hit play and hit play and hit play and hit play. Come on! Is it because it's full screen? Oh, it's the window size. All right, so let's tell it. I got an error. I'm very sad. Please fix. You need to change the name of your function. That is correct. Please give me the full complete code. Please work. I love it when you work. There are no stars. Why? What if we just tell it, like, this isn't working? There are no stars. I am sad. It's just completely ignoring my sadness. We can just say, try again. Wow, that is super short. I love it. Let's see if it works. I can kind of see it. It is points moving, but it's very hard to see. Slow down the stars, make them larger. It's not amazing. This one is not doing it for me. Because AI is just like predictions, just trying again can make completely different results. Hello, computer, let's try again. This one has an error. Another error. This prompt is not working all that well. I'm gonna try a zooming star field. Ooh, this one might be it. Oh yeah, okay. It's kind of coming out from this direction. But the stars are going away. Be a lot more stars. Holy moly. I'm mesmerized by it. I'm just like watching it now. Like I'm actually enjoying this. Like just watching it. Wow, it's beautiful. Makes me want to be in outer space.
Elon's artificial intelligence company just released something that's going to change the world. OpenAI's ChatGPT was just released to the public. On the surface, this doesn't look like much, but many people think it's going to replace Google search. This application has already gone viral, and there's millions of people asking it the most complex questions. It can take care of a time-consuming task, such as writing scripts for algorithmic traders, writing out lines of code. You can use this to create a workout plan or a dietary regimen. I'll even show you an example right now. Write me a business plan for selling jewelry for dogs. It just wrote an entire business plan in less than 5 seconds and answer more simple questions like how to flirt with a girl or what's the Krabby Patty formula. Okay, so it's not perfect. It doesn't know the Krabby Patty formula, but it's constantly learning. And there are some limitations, but it's only going to improve. They're hoping ChatGPT becomes your own helpful assistant that'll talk to you, answer questions, and even give you advice. If you've seen Iron Man, think of it as Jarvis.